bringing financial security to communities across the globe.
After final clearance, we're inside the heart of NCR's operations here in Dundee, the largest ATM facility in Europe.
Once the combination is set, these heavy bolts secure the cash cassettes completely. That's the UL 291 standard.
The XFS trace looks clean, but let's double check the firmware hooks.
Agreed. Run the Level 3 security audit on the crypto module.
300 notes, 0 errors.
Reliability confirmed. The sensors are perfectly calibrated.
The encryption is holding. Try the bypass on port 3. NCR cash dispensers in automated endurance testing, cycling through note transport sequences with test note decks for the equivalent of years of ATM operation.
A completed NCR self-serve ATM. Security cabinet sealed, dispenser, software loaded.
This section specifically covers the security architecture and bank customer deployment details. Your signature confirms.
The core principle is defense in depth. We layer physical security with advanced encryption protocols to protect the assets and the data.
As you can see, the kinetic impact resistance has significantly improved.
Agreed. We'll update the schematics for the outer casing immediately.
There it is, the jack button command.
It's bypassing the standard firewall, and I'm isolating the traffic now.
We need to implement the secure boot sequence immediately.
Our electromagnetic detection systems trigger the jitter mechanism, as you can see here, rendering any intercepted data. Our behavioral analytics engine identifies unusual patterns at the machine level, allowing us to spot attacks across the entire ATM network.
We utilize dispenser isolation, where the cash dispenser is a physically and logically separate module. This means
ensuring regulatory compliance across all 160 countries, from EMVCo to PCI DSS, is crucial for our global operations.
With real-time monitoring of over 1 million ATMs, we identify potential failures and dispatch technicians to ensure uninterrupted service.
The new polymer requires precise calibration of the sensors.
We've confirmed the adjustments meet the central bank's stringent requirements.
The primary engineering challenge of ATM manufacturing is to build machines that dispense the correct amount of cash to every customer.
A deployed ATM handles new notes and worn notes with different thicknesses, stiffness, and surface friction.
The ATM physical attacks evolve continuously. When one attack method is defeated by improved ATM design, a new method is developed. ATM malicious software has evolved from simple dispenser command injection to sophisticated multi-stage attacks that exploit legitimate ATM.
The MTBF on the cash dispenser is declining.
Look at the vibration signature right before the failure. We need to adjust the predictive model.
According to the standard, the tactile indicators need adjustment here.
Let's review the motor impairment constraints next. Audio guidance enabled. Please use the keypad.
I'm really sorry, the ATM is down. I don't have the cash right now.
No problem. Hopefully it's working later.
When disaster strikes and the power fails, cash isn't just convenient, it's critical. It means the difference between survival and scarcity.
From this facility, operating continuously since 1946, Dundee engineers build the machines that power the global cash economy.
At our Dundee facility, we're redefining the life cycle of our ATMs. Through meticulous refurbishment, we significantly reduce the manufacturing footprint.
We build for the real world, not the one described by the cashless narrative.
This data stream from the APAC region highlights the need for the updated ISO
to major 2 messaging standards. Agreed.
NCR presents the next evolution of the ATM, featuring seamless mobile authentication and instant biometric access.
Fiona runs the reference note deck every morning before production begins. 15 years have taught her that
NCR Dundee's production culture carrying nearly 8 decades of financial terminal manufacturing experience.
DU 2009 has been test notes on Fiona's workstation since 2009.
They met during the self-serve 80 series production qualification in 2017. She was dispenser integration.
Did it work correctly?
It always works correctly.
Why are you asking? Just checking.
She went back to her shift.
The night shift in Dundee builds ATMs that will run through nights in Nairobi, Jakarta, and Sao Paulo.
Her PIN pad integration first-pass security validation rate has been the highest in the facility for 6 consecutive years. She says comparing the production PIN pad against the reference status.
Angus has been building NCR ATMs since before the PIN pad was encrypted. He has watched the security architecture.
She walks the floor every morning because in a facility building security certified financial terminals, the production floor's been...
The milestone was acknowledged for 4 minutes. Then the production line continued. Fiona said afterward, the milestone count.
The 2018 roller failure is the training case that every NCR Dundee quality engineer studies.
She held the certification documentation for a long moment. Fiona told her, "That machine is going to a bank."
You have seen how it is built. Now tell us, please, what surprised you most about what goes into the machine that gives you your money?
The extended cut, including the full physical attack resistance laboratory and the complete next-generation biometric process pulse factory. Every week daily, a new facility, a new process, a new world hidden inside the machines connecting people to their